This is the Dona top by Dana. We have this in charcoal this season. And this is a 100% extra fine merino wool sweater that is knit with this really interesting curved rib along the front that kind of follows the contour of the crew neck. And so you have this just a decorative detail, a little something like a stripe or an interesting rib going all around the sweater. I'm wearing a medium in this video and I'm wearing a medium in photos. I am also going to show you the large because I think I personally prefer the large for the way I like to wear sweaters and layering under them, but I will show you that next. And this is the Dona top in a size large on me. You know, visually, I can't see a whole lot of difference between the medium and large, but I can feel it. I feel like I have more room in the body to layer under, and I have a little more ease and room at the armpit, which I like. So yeah, if I wanted, you know, a real fitted look for a sweater, I might choose a medium, but I think for how I personally wear sweaters, I would choose a large, which is the larger of my two sizes. But yeah, such a beauty for fall and winter.